G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm making a delicious winter healing juice recipe in the Tribest Greenstar Pro. This is my favorite cold pressed juicer. It's the main juicer we use here at Raw Blend. It's the best juicer we've ever found for juicing hard vegetables and leafy greens. Perfect for this recipe. So I'm just going to show you how to disassemble and assemble the Greenstar Pro Juicer. So firstly I'll just take off the safety hood, undo these latches, take off this is our fine screen, twin gear housing, and this is the gears. This is the twin gears that are doing all the work. So these are super heavy, you should feel the weight in these. In these gears is bioceramic and magnetic technology. It's been proven to actually keep the juice alive and fresher for longer. So I can make a juice in my Greenstar and it'll still retain the nutrients, up to 3 to 4 days later and still taste really fresh. So when you're putting these gears on, you want to make sure they're aligned correctly. So on one gear, you'll see a little dot, and on the other gear, there's 2 dots. Make sure they're aligned correctly when you put them into place. Otherwise, your juicer won't work correctly. Next, I'm going to put on the twin gear housing. I've got the fine juicing screen. So this is the screen that all the juice is going to pass through. It's going to make the juice super fine and smooth consistency. Put that on. The juicer also comes with a coarse juicing screen if you want a pulpy juice. This is the outlet where all the pulp comes out. And you've actually got a spring retention here so I can control how slow or quick my pulp comes out, which controls how dry or wet the pulp is. I'm juicing vegetables, so I'm gonna have it done up nice and tight. I want a really dry pulp. I'm gonna lock these latches into place, put our safety hood on. That's a safety feature, of course, so you can't touch the gears with your hand. Okay, so for my winter healing juice, I've chosen some of my favorite vegetables. I've got some beautiful fresh beetroot. This is really good for your heart and it's packed with so many vitamins and minerals. Tastes amazing in juice, so let's put that in. I've also got some carrot. Now carrot's always amazing in juice. It's really good for your eyesight. It's a great winter vegetable. Let's put that in. When I'm juicing carrots, it requires a little bit of downward force. So we don't recommend the Greenstar for anyone with weakness in the hands or arthritis. That is a little bit of a workout. You can make it easier if you cut the carrots in half and form a wedge so it goes into the gears easier. I've also got some cucumber. Cucumber is really good for your skin. It's a great hydrating fruit. Now, I've also got some fresh dill. The dill is going to pair beautifully with the cucumber. And it also pairs lovely with my beetroot. You'll have that in a lot of salads together. Wouldn't be a healing winter juice without ginger, packed with all sorts of goodness for your body. You can see how dry this pulp is. There's no juice coming out of it at all, super dry. We're all done. So we'll have a look here. I have a litre of beautiful cold pressed juice, absolutely amazing. You're going to get a lot more juice when you make a juice with the Greenstar compared to typical juices. That's due to the twin gear design. You're also going to get a much higher nutrient content level. So let's pour that out and have a taste. Look at that beautiful, dark, rich color. That's all that beautiful beetroot, carrots, dill, ginger, cucumber. Cheers. Delicious. Kick of that ginger, the freshness of the dill. I absolutely love it. I'm sure you'll love it too. Definitely try it this winter. Happy juicing.